Do you have a simple product list in Excel and don't know how to show prices in dollars and discounts in percentages? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to make it easy. First, select the price column. Go to the Home tab. Then the number group. Choose currency and pick the symbol you need. Click OK. Done. Next, for discounts, do the same. Select the discount column. Go to percentage and click OK. Perfect. Now, for the final price after discount. Here's the formula. In the first row, type equal sign. Now select the original price cell. Now type multiply. Then open bracket, type 1 minus. Select the discount cell, close bracket. And press enter. Magic! Now drag it down for all rows. And your problem is solved in seconds. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.